I actually came here my 8th grade year, and I saw it, and I was like, oh, this will be fun. I didn't really think of it as a career at first, and then I did this class, and I really enjoyed it. I like coming here every morning, welding every day. I get to meet new people, and I really enjoy it.
We have a lot of really expensive equipment here. I mean, we're really lucky to have this classroom to work with. You know, these machines, they're not cheap.
I'm really grateful that we get a really nice workshop, because a lot of schools don't have the equipment that we use. We do different certifications for like the field. We do plate, height, vertical, horizontal, flat, overhead. There's multiple certifications. I've gotten 3 or 4 so far. Some of them are really difficult.
And I've got 4 certifications. The first 2 I got on my first year of welding. With those certifications, you know, you can continue on to college and have to skip those, you know, steps and learning and just, you know, move on. And it also lets employers know that you know what you're doing. Because, you know, getting those certs is not easy.
The most challenging part of this program is probably welding every day, but like failing. But I kind of like that, because you're learning and you get better at whatever you do every day that you practice.
You can make a really good living out of this, and you know, started doing my research, and you know, I learned that you can easily make over 6 figures if you're good at it. Even if you're just taking it, you know, just have a elective because you need it. I say take it serious, because even if you don't make this a full-time job or whatever, having the skill to know how to weld, it can help you in real life.